guys, how you doing? I had a local tree guy bring me in a couple of saws. He wanted me to take a look at them. I just want to show you some pictures of how nasty these things are. This guy's in his 80s and he's still climbing trees. Unbelievable. I think a lot of this could be avoided just by blowing your saw off when you're done with it and making sure your chain stays sharp so you're always making a good chip. Here I got it cleaned up. This is just with an air gun, just blowing everything out and cleaning it up. He also had a pretty significant oil leak on this saw. This is a Husky 359 and they're known for this. So what I did was the oil line, popped it out of the case, put a little RTV around the very end of it up near the top on the seal surface, pushed that back in to help seal it up. I then took the bar plate and I dimpled it right where the outer line sits against it, put a little extra pressure there to help seal the line to the oil pump itself. Take a couple minutes and blow your saws off when you're done with them. And thanks for watching.